What do we have here, Ibrahim? Hey, leave that. Put that down.
In a washing machine.
Wait, let me put it. This is a tumble dryer. It's a Samsung DV90K6000 CW. White. And this is what you get when it's delivered as a box. Well, it's kind of a box. Okay. So I'm going to use my unboxing tool. It's a Gerber. Jump. So I'm going to cut this. Watch out. That's from this selfie stick. Okay, watch out. Excuse me. It's dangerous. It's a knife.
Looks like a knife.
Yeah, it is. I told you, move your hand. Okay. Let's put this out there. So you can hold that.
Can I hold it,
Mummy's
please?
gonna hold it. Mummy's gonna hold it. Make sure it's focused. Okay, come on. See the knife? You're not looking at the knife.
I thought it was the dryer that's important, not the knife.
Wow.
Part of the unboxing experience.
Baba, can I take out the wrapper?
This is what you got at the top. No! Wait! Please. Unless you want to. But wait, just wait. I've got to take the rest of this off. Actually, we'll keep the polystyrene in there, but that's the cover. Here's what you get inside.
Wow.
Watch out. Watch out. Oh, it's got one of those sort of... Can you hear that sound? Put closer. What are the settings that we have here? Cotton. What does that say? Extra dry. Cupboard dry. You're moving it too much. Give it to Mummy, please. Iron dry. Wool. Ultra delicate. Outdoor. Sportswear. Synthetics. Extra dry. Cupboard dry. Iron dry. Quick dry. Warm air. Cool air. Time dry. What do we have over here? We've got wrinkle prevent, dry level, time, mixed load bell, lamp, delay end, sound on off, hold 3 seconds, power button, and start stop. So 9 kilograms. Now, this door shape is kind of a
I messed
Flat
with
edge.
problem. It looks like a steering wheel.
it looks like it's been bent or broken, but it's not. It's just the handle is there like that. Okay.
I know how to get out the tape.
No, leave the tape until we plug it in. Okay. So we're gonna take it off the pallet, put it in, fit it in, plug it in, and then we'll carry on the video. Thank you. Okay. Here's what the back of it looks like. You got the power. Cable winds around. And there's a couple of pipes over there. That's it. Again, here's the front. And inside, actually at the front, you can see there's a filter clean alarm at the front. The ventilation. It says heat pump technology. And inside, is that a tray? Yeah. I guess the we'll open it in a second anyway. Alright, so let's open this door. Here's a sticker to keep it secure. Take the sticker off. There's another sticker at the bottom. Oh. Put that here. And there's a sticker for this drawer. Okay. So if you open the drawer, alright, so this must be for the condenser. Sammy, look. Sammy. Look. Look. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks inside.
When it's heavy, it's not fun. It's smell of this.
How'd you put this in then? Let's see. Oh, okay. So you have to sort of tilt it forward to push it all the way in. Now we'll try and open this. We haven't plugged it in yet. Well, here's what's inside the drum. Anyway, let's look at the door. It's kind of like a dashboard material on a car. Flat glass, as you can see there. Bit of a porthole. I put my hand through, so it's quite thin. Okay. In here we've got, I guess that's a filter. We'll take it out in a second. Let me remove this. Looks like some sort of shelf. We'll open that in a moment. And in here we have the manual. So I'll just turn around the drum. It's nice and shiny inside there. I'll take this off. There we go. Take out the filter. Okay, put it back. And now we'll look at this. Bear with me. Okay, let's see how to open this thing.
That knife is so dangerous.
There we go.
I think you need the manual to find out what to do with that thing.
So, there's a tray there. And there is
Why you got a hose?
a bit of a hose, yeah.
I thought you didn't need an outlet. An extra one?
Maybe it's a spare.
We're not sure.
Okay.
Find the booklet,
So,
instruction booklet.
pause. So heat pump dryer. Now I believe this is supposed to be an A++. What do we have here? Yeah, A++. Efficiency. Heat pump dryer.
You need to find out what that tray is for.
Yeah. Just safety information. Installation. Okay. So, unpacking your dryer. It says, "Hi, I'm a professional to install the dryer properly." Well, they just dropped it off and left. They didn't install it, so maybe in that. Here's what's supposed to be inside. Hose guide, we've got that here. So we've got the hose guide, which is there. We've got the cable. Do we have a cable tie? I didn't see a cable tie anywhere. There's no cable tie. Hose connector. Long drain hose. Long drain hose. Manual book. And this is called a rack dry. This thing here is called a rack dry. Okay. It says, do not plug the power cord into the wall outlet before completing the dryer installation. Check the appearance of the product for any damaged parts. We did. Okay. You want to install the dryer in a location exposed to frost. Okay. Before using the product, check if there are any accessories remaining inside the drum. Plug in the power cord. Do not block the air inlet hole of the cooling grill at the front of the dryer, which is this thing here. What else? Okay, that's it really. Installation. Your dryer must be grounded. If your dryer malfunctions or breaks down, grounding will reduce the risk of electric shock. Okay. Your dryer comes with a power cord having a 3-prong grounding plug for use. Okay, that's right. Okay. So we have to make sure the dryer is level. Okay. Next, to set the dryer to the same height as the washer. Okay. Review electrical requirements. Final installation checklist. Okay. Hold on. Dryer is leveled and sitting firmly on the floor. Start your dryer to confirm that it runs, heats, and shuts off. Finally, check if the HC check occurs after running the time dry cycle for 20 minutes. You can use the dryer without using the water tank by following the procedures below. By installing the drain hose. Okay, so we're just going to use the tank. We're not going to use the drain hose. Okay, that's fine. And anything about this tray? Not sure what that tray is about. That's it really. Before you start, open the dryer door. Position the try rack in the tumbler. Okay. So I guess you place stuff on the rack that you don't want to be spun or tumbled. Okay. That's it. So we'll plug it in now and show you what happens.
But if you put stuff on the dryer.
So I'm gonna plug this in over here. Look over here. Now let's just check how this tray goes in.
Did you already register this thing?
No. I'm not sure how this tray goes in, to be honest.
It was in there before.
What was it?
Model number, serial number, date of birth, just customer dealer's name, dealer's telephone number, dealer's address. I don't know if the dealer's address or anything, but
Okay, like that.
the dealer's name is if that is closed in, then the drum does not spin.
Okay.
Put it in, plug it in, and put the tray in and put the time on it and see what happens to the tray. Does the tray move or not?
Let's switch the power on.
So you say you can't.
So I'll switch the power on, nothing happens.
This was a hinge on.
It's not working. We just plugged it in.
But you need to select.
Okay. So let's switch it on. There we go. Some red light flashing there. Light's gone. And that's it. Where's the lock? The child lock? Don't know. Alright, I'll leave it there. Thank you very much.